Hi guys, it's me, Beast here, XX989 here. Today I want to play some Floppy Bird with you guys. So let's get right into this game. So I play Flappy Bird. It's so hard. It makes people so mad. I think Boogie, a guy that plays it, I think he played it before and got so mad at the game. It's really hard. So let's go right into this. Oh my god, really? Oh my god. No! No, why is it so hard? Oh, I only got 3. That was kind of better. Oh, I forgot. Oh, only 2. Oh, I got 1. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. This game always like this? Oh. Oh my god. Oh, so that was good. Going great. So, oh, man. Oh, this really sucks. It's so low in the frame. Oh my god. Oh! Okay, this guy Floppy Bird sucks like Floppy Bird. Bye!